In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple charts in Thinkorswim. If you've ever wanted to monitor several tickers or timeframes at once, the flexible grid makes that easy and customizable. We'll walk through building your layout, adjusting the cells, and filling each pane with the exact view you need. First, head to the Charts tab, then open Flexible Grid. You'll start with a single chart cell. Think of this as your blank canvas. We're going to divide it into the layout that fits your workflow, whether that's a simple two-panel setup or a more complex grid. Look to the upper left of the grid for the Show Grid Actions icon. Click it, then enable Customize Grid. This puts the grid into an editing mode so you can add and arrange cells. You'll see tools appear specifically for shaping your layout. Use the Add to Right option to split a cell horizontally, creating another panel alongside the first. Use Add Below to split a cell vertically, stacking another panel beneath. You can repeat these actions in any cell to build out the exact number of panes you want. If you start to feel crowded or too spread out, it's easy to undo by selecting a different cell and adding panels in a more balanced way. Once you have the right number of cells, resize them by dragging the borders between panels. This is especially helpful if you want one chart to be the primary focus and others to be reference views. Take a moment to fine-tune the proportions so your key charts have plenty of space and your secondary charts are still readable. When your grid looks right, click Show Grid Actions again to exit Customize mode. Now each cell behaves like its own chart window. Inside each cell, click the symbol selector and type the ticker you want to display. You can mix different symbols or set the same symbol with different time frames to compare intraday action versus longer trends. Adjusting time frames per cell helps you keep the bigger picture and the finer details on screen at once. If you prefer trading tools or market depth, you can also choose other gadgets for any cell, such as Active Trader or Level 2. These are great for order entry and seeing liquidity, and they're especially handy when placed in a cell that you've given a bit more space. That's it. With a few clicks, you've built a flexible multi-chart workspace tailored to the way you analyze and trade.